What types of woodworking projects and content are included in TED's woodworking program? Introduction. Developed by the experienced woodworker Ted McGrath, this program aims to provide woodworking enthusiasts with an extensive collection of plans, blueprints, and step-by-step instructions for various projects. From furniture and outdoor structures to home decor and craft items, TED's Woodworking covers a vast spectrum of woodworking endeavors. Types of woodworking projects. 1. Furniture projects. One of the highlights of TED's woodworking program is its comprehensive selection of furniture projects. Whether you're looking to build a sturdy dining table, an elegant bookshelf, or a comfortable bed frame, you'll find detailed plans and instructions to guide you through the process. 2. Outdoor projects. For those who enjoy spending time in their gardens or outdoor spaces, TED's Woodworking offers an extensive range of outdoor projects. From building a gazebo or a pergola to constructing a deck or a shed, the program provides step-by-step instructions and designs to create functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor structures. 3. Home decor projects. These projects cover a wide range of items, such as picture frames, wall shelves, mirrors, and even unique lighting fixtures. With the program's detailed instructions, you can create custom pieces that perfectly complement your home style. 4. Storage projects. In today's world, efficient storage solutions are always in demand. TED's Woodworking recognizes this need and offers a variety of woodworking projects designed for storage purposes. 5. Craft projects. Woodworking isn't just about creating functional items, it's also an art form that allows for creativity and expression. TED's Woodworking program includes a variety of craft projects that let you explore your artistic side. 6. Toy projects. TED's Woodworking offers a selection of toy projects that range from simple puzzles to elaborate playsets. By following the program's instructions, you can craft toys that are not only fun to play with but also safe and durable. Woodworking techniques. To help woodworkers of all skill levels expand their knowledge and expertise, TED's Woodworking program covers various woodworking techniques. These techniques are explained in detail through step-by-step instructions and accompanying illustrations. Step-by-step instructions. One of the key aspects of TED's Woodworking program is its emphasis on providing detailed step-by-step instructions. Each project comes with clear and concise instructions that guide you through the entire woodworking process. Material lists and tools. To save you time and effort, TED's Woodworking program includes comprehensive material lists for each project. Additionally, the program provides recommendations for the tools and equipment necessary for each project. Design and finishing options. Woodworking offers endless opportunities for creativity, and TED's woodworking program encourages customization and personalization. Furthermore, TED's woodworking program covers various finishing techniques to enhance the appearance and durability of your projects. Skill levels. Whether you're a novice woodworker or have years of experience, TED's woodworking program offers projects suitable for different skill levels. The program includes projects ranging from beginner-friendly designs with simple construction techniques to more advanced projects that challenge and expand your woodworking abilities. Project variations and customization. TED's woodworking program encourages creativity and customization. While the program provides detailed plans for each project, it also offers variations and suggestions for modifying the designs. Project support and community. TED's woodworking program understands the importance of support and community in the woodworking journey. Additionally, TED's woodworking program offers customer support to address any inquiries or concerns you may have. Conclusion. In conclusion, TED's woodworking program offers an extensive range of woodworking projects and content for individuals passionate about working with wood. With detailed step-by-step instructions, material lists, and tool recommendations, TED's Woodworking provides a comprehensive resource for woodworkers of all skill levels. Facts. 1. Can I access TED's woodworking program online? Yes, TED's woodworking program is accessible online. Once you become a member, you can access the program's materials and resources through their dedicated website. 2. Are woodworking projects suitable for beginners? Yes, TED's woodworking program caters to woodworkers of all skill levels, including beginners. The program offers projects with varying levels of complexity, allowing beginners to start with simpler designs and gradually progress to more advanced projects. 3. Can I customize the woodworking projects to fit my specific needs? TED's woodworking program encourages customization and provides suggestions for modifying the projects. You can adapt the designs, dimensions, and finishes to suit your personal preferences and requirements. 4. Is there a support system if I have questions or need assistance? Yes, TED's woodworking program provides customer support to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have.